Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. This is Super Swing Trader. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel so you get notified of new updates I release in the channel. With that being said, let's start with the analysis. On the monthly time frame here, this is what we're looking at. Every candle represents 1 month worth of time. So back in February and March, it did a big pullback on the S&P 500 ETF. And overall stock market did pull back, and then now it's got four big candles rallying back up. But now there's a piercing candle 1 month, actually not just 20 days into this month, and it already made a big red candle. So we're expecting price to drop all the way down to this monthly demand zone right here. This is what we are expecting price to do, come back down here, all the way down here. And so it looks like it's doing that. Can it retrace? Can it bounce back up? Sure, it can, but this is what we're expecting price to do. And this is what we mentioned over the last couple of weeks on our weekly analysis of this ETF. So on the monthly, we have, this is the zone that I just drew on the monthly. And now this is so now price has almost reached this zone. Let's see. Price has almost reached this zone on the weekly. It could bounce from this zone. It could very well bounce from this zone. At least do a little bit of bounce and then drop back down to the monthly. Alright, on the daily, this is what we have. Nothing looks good on the daily. This is the zone that's located within that weekly zone that we drew, but it just does not look good on the daily. No good price action at all. There was this zone that worked out. This little zone that worked out. Price bounced from here and rally, but once it comes back to this zone, it's been tested, multiple times. Or it's been tested one time here, and then once it comes back into this zone, it's not going to be very strong anymore. All the orders has been filled already, as you can see from here. So we have to lean on higher time frames on the weekly. The weekly, this can still work. But if once this zone gets broken down, then we're gonna have to go on to this zone down here on the monthly. So that's what we're expecting. It could bounce from this little zone, this little weekly time zone, but we're expecting price to drop down here and then jump higher from here. All right. So that is it for this analysis. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and click on the bell so you get notified of new videos I release in the future. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. As always, I want you to transform your charts into profits and build the life you love.